solve this question. So the question was given like this: transmission line conductor having a diameter of 19.5 meter weighs W is equal to, so let me write here, what is the diameter of the conductor? So the solution will be, first one, diameter of the conductor will be equal to how much? Diameter of the conductor is equal to, that is, D is equal to 19.5. Actually this was in mm, 19.5 mm. Divide this with the 1000, you get, sorry, divide this with the 100, you get in centimeters, 1.95 centimeter. Okay, weight of the conductor, weight of the conductor is equal to W is equal to how much? 0.85 kg per meter. Okay, 0.85 kg per meter. The next, length of the span. Length of the span is equal to how much? L is equal to 175 Actually in the question it was given with 275. Make this to 175. Span length is 175 meter. Okay. The next, wind pressure. Wind pressure is equal to, let us take this 275 only. $275 meters. Next, wind pressure. Wind pressure is W is equal to how much? 39 kg per meter square. Okay. Next will be the area of ice coating. Area of ice coating is how much? 13 millimeters. Divide this with the 1000, then you get 13 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay. Ultimate strength of the conductor. Ultimate strength of the conductor is 8000 kg. The next will be the factor of safety. Factor of safety is how much? 2. Therefore, then what we require to find here? Ultimately sag. Sag is nothing but, we know the formula. Same formula repeats over here. W into L square divided by 8 into T. Yes or no? So, then, so what we will be finding here? First of all, we will be finding the total weight. Weight is nothing but W plus Wi whole square plus W into WW square. Okay. So first of all, we will be finding the weight of ice coating per meter length, that is Wi is equal to weight of the ice coating per meter length is equal to density of ice multiplied by pi into r into d plus r. So that implies, what is the density of ice? Ice will be 910 into pi into, what is this value of r? 13 into 10 power minus 3 into, what is this d value? Diameter is 19.5 plus 13 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. Then let's simplify this. 1.208 kg. Okay, this is the weight of the ice. The next weight of the wind will be equal to wind force per meter length. Okay, wind force per meter length. So wind force per meter length will be P into d plus 2r. Students, you have to remember these formulas. Okay, 39 multiplied by 19.5 plus 2 into 13 into 10 power minus 3. Then you get 1.74 kg. Okay, now we got the Wi and W, ice weight and wind weight. Then next we will be finding this total weight of conductor per meter length is equal to what we get here, is W plus Wi that implies 0.85 plus 1.208 whole square plus, what is W? 1.74 whole square. If you simplify this, what you get here? 2.71. So this value will be 2.71 kg. This is the total weight. Therefore, sag is equal to Wt into L square divided by 8 into T. So what is Wt? 2.71 into, what is the length we have? 275 whole square divided by 8 into, what is the tension value? 4,000. To simplify this, you get 6.42 meter. Okay. Hope you understood.